If you want to record phone calls on a Motorola Signature, the first thing that you can do is you can check if you have a built-in option that allows you to record phone calls. In this case, if you happen to be on a call, or to be exact, in the call menu, you might want to go to More in order to see if you have the call recorder option. In my case, unfortunately, I don't have it. This option is not available in some countries or regions, so you might not have it as well. If you do have it, then of course that's great, and that's all you have to do. But in case you don't have it, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and you can install a third-party app that allows you to record phone calls. Let's say if we go to the search button over here, and then we can start searching in here. We can type something like call recorder. There we go. And as you can see, we have many different apps that should allow you to record phone calls. In my case, I'm gonna use this one, Cube ACR, and I'm gonna show you how to set this one up, simply because I just think this one works the best. But feel free to try anything else. In case you don't like this app, you can try another app. Feel free to do so. If you decide to go for the Cube ACR app, once you open it, we want to tap on Next, and we want to grant all the necessary permissions over here to make it work. We can also disable power optimization, so let's tap on OK and then Allow. We don't have to agree to geotagging over here, and press OK, got it. We can close the premium offer by using this X in the upper left corner. There we go. And there is also a helper, which is additional app that helps the main app run correctly, I guess. So in this case, I'm gonna install the helper, and to do so we will have to actually download the app with the help of our browser from the website of the Cube ACR app. And this also means that we are trying to install an app from an unknown source. So your phone will tell you that you are trying to install an app that is not from the Play Store, so it might be dangerous. Of course, if you feel like you don't really want to install this app, you don't have to. I'm not really suggesting that you should do so, right? So in my case, I'm gonna install the app, and if needed, you will have to grant the permission for the browser to install apps from unknown sources. So let's go ahead and open the app. Want to do so. Once you install the app, let's go next, and we need to grant permissions again. There we go. Now we need to go to accessibility. You want to tap on Cube ACR app connector. Even though it is grayed out, you still want to tap on it in order to see this message. Once you see it, you can close it and go back to the app. Now let's go to the apps. In here, we need to find the Cube ACR helper. Now tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose Allow Restricted Settings. And of course, verify yourself. Alright, we're gonna go back. And then once again, go to accessibility. Now we can tap on Cube ACR app connector, and we need to use it, and of course allow the permission. Disable power optimization, so tap on Allow over here, and then we can open the main app. Now the app is pretty much good to go. We should be able to now record phone calls quite easily. The app allows you to record calls automatically, so you don't have to manually turn on something or stuff like that. But I can also recommend you tapping on these three lines in the upper left corner. You want to make sure that recording is enabled. And also we have some additional settings that you might want to check out in order to, adjust some things so that, for example, not every call is recorded. But since we are ready, now what you can do is, of course, make a call, or you can answer the call, and so on and so forth. And you should be able to, the app should be able to start recording. So let's give it a try. Let's answer the call. And if we go to notifications, you will see that the Cube ACR and the helper is now working in the background. So this means that, of course, our call is being recorded. Now, one thing that I have to mention is that most of the time, actually, if you record the call just like that, and then without the loudspeaker, then there is a chance that the caller will not be heard quite well. I mean, you might not be able to hear the caller clearly. The caller might be too quiet or stuff like that, or you might not hear the caller at all. So in that case, if that's true, then you just have to use the loudspeaker in order to, help the app record the call without any issues. Unfortunately, this is like a downside of these third-party apps that are supposed to record phone calls, but this is like a small workaround that most of the time just works. So if that's the issue, then of course you can use the loudspeaker. Once you are done with the call, you should be able to go to the Cube ACR app, the main app over here, and as you can see, we have our recording. You can easily play the recording. You can tap on these three dots, for example, to find some additional options, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.